Hi! Hi, cutie! I don't have food, I'm sorry. Where'd you go? Ah!
Maybe he's looking for a mate.
Hi, baby! Oh, touching you. Oh, you like my watch? Oh.
He's a cute baby.
Hey, hands off the Rolex, buddy. Hi! Ah! My finger!
He's trying to sing to us.
Oh, hi!
Maybe he thinks we're seagulls too.
His feet are so soft and like warm.
This is our first time. Oh, it's so rare. Only time. Maybe he can be our pet. No.
He's hungry.
He's hungry.
He wants more Cheetos.
Wow.
Oh!
He likes your shine. You have a shiny object. Birds like
Yeah,
shiny
my
objects.
watch.
Yeah, maybe he likes that.
You like my watch?
He likes it because it's shiny.
Oh. He's bouncing on my leg with his feet. Oh my god. Hi!
Can